Today I got a beautiful Chevelle up for sale today, a 396 big block. Before we get started, guys, hit that like button if you want to see all of our classic cars as we get them in, as we sell them, and as I buy them. I am the Classic Car Chaser. Guys, stay tuned. Please subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. By the way, we offer free shipping anywhere in the U.S. for free, lower 48. And we offer financing, credit score of 620 or above, or you can send us a bank wire. Guys, subscribe. Let's get into the video. This is a 1968 Chevelle big block 396 for sale. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We're going to go panel by panel, dent by dent, scratch by scratch if there's any. I'll be honest with you guys, this thing is clean. It's a client of mine. He sold it to us. He's spent over $60,000 in the restoration. This is a 136 car, not a 138. However, it's got a big block. It's an automatic, power steering, power brakes. Undercarriage is clean. Has a few small imperfections which we will go over, but overall the car shows extremely well. It's got good safety inspection on it until August 2025. No expense spared on this one, guys. Let's go ahead and get into the review. We'll start off with our normal paint test. Paint looks good. Shine's got a beautiful shine to it. We'll get up close and you can kind of see my reflection right here. Now it is silver, and the silver paint is some of the hardest paint to lay down. My body, guys, leave me a comment if you agree or disagree. Silver usually does not lay really good. You have to be a good painter, and this one came out really well. As you can see my reflection on it. You can see the back windows, they shine well. I'm going to say the paint on this one is probably 8.5 out of 10. It looks like it was prepped properly. What stops it from being a 10 is a couple little chips and a couple small imperfections in the paint, which I will show you. So paint 8 out of 10. Body shows real nice. Lines are nice and flush. This car does not look like it has any Bondo on it. Nothing visual. We'll start with our door test. Driver's door. Now I will say this, you got to really press hard on this to open it. So this feels like a brand new lock. Does not have much wear at all. I'll give it a nice light close, and it closes very well. So it closes better than average. It closes excellent actually. Very light, and it shuts all the way, which is nice. The door gap, nice and even all the way down. That gap is pretty much perfect. While we're down here, we'll look down and see if there's any bubbling or anything down here. There is not. Quarter looks good while we're looking here. Let's go ahead and take a look down. That looks well. This side, this body line looks good. Overall, car shows very well. Moving on to this gap is nice and even throughout. Another good gap. Fender's good. Got a little imperfection up here, as you can see, a little chip. Nothing else that I can see. That's good. That looks good. Okay, it's sitting on some BF Goodrich tires, radials, and Krager wheels. Krager's got a little bit of pitting here, very minor. Tires are pretty much brand new. Emblems look good. Take a look at the windshield real quick. Windshield looks good. I don't see any cracks or anything in the windshield, any chips. Up on top of the car looks good as well. Side glass, that looks intact. Moving on to the front of the vehicle. Front of the vehicle's nice and clean. Looks good. It's got the 396 SS badges on it. Bumper's in good shape. A little dusty, but overall it looks like it's in good shape. Now, talk about how the hood sits. The hood gets a little tight up here, as you can see. Gets a little tight on that side, as opposed to this side. So I would probably want to say, to make this car perfect, you would want to move that hood over just a hair. Shim it just a little bit. Stripe looks good. Looks nice and clean. Little chip there, little chip there. It looks like they were touched in. Moving on to the passenger side fender. Passenger side fender looks good. Body line looks good. Looks nice and clean. Little chip right there. I don't see any bubbling on this. Wheel looks to be in good shape. Same thing, a little bit of wear. Not much. Tire, new. Moving on to the door gap here, where the fender and the door meet. That gap looks nice and good. Nothing crazy going on with it. I see a couple, I don't know if that's dirt. No, it's just dirt. Don't see anything there. Nothing there. Overall, good. Door lock looks good. I don't see any overspray. Up there looks good. Again, door lock nice and hard. We got some receipts over here. This is all what he did to it, everything. And got about 60,000 invested. That's what the paperwork shows. Interior's nice, we'll get into that in a minute. Door close test, super light, and it shuts perfect. You can't ask for a better car that doors that shut. This is perfect. This gap looks good all the way down. Quarter looks good. Now I visually can't see any Bondo with my eye. I don't know if there's any on this car, whether they put a skim coating on it before they painted it, but you can't tell anything. Nothing is visually where you see some body filler. Nice and clean, straight lines. Looks good. Overall, definitely in good shape. Rear looks good. Exhaust tips are nice, beautiful chrome. I do see, what is this? This is just coming up. Looks like the trim piece you can see on this side. Looks like the clip that holds it, it's off. Needs to be adjusted, pulled down. Stripe looks good. That looks good. Trunk. See how the other side. Not bad. That side's a little bit, I want to say the gap's a little wider here compared to here, but it's not bad at all. Definitely nice, definitely clean. This rear quarter looks good. Guys, overall this car is a winner. It's clean, it's ready to go. Get in and go drive it. Remember, we offer financing, credit score of 620 or above. And we ship it to your doorstep for free, guys. Free shipping on any purchase from us. Let's climb underneath the car. Let's see the undercarriage. Then we will go inside the car and start it up. All right, guys, we got a better light this time. Rear end. There you go. Rear end looks clean. Exhaust looks good. Looks like a brand new fuel tank. Suspension all looks good. Frame looks good. I mean, it's clean, real clean under here. This is the way I like to see cars. Let's go on this side. Looks real nice and good. Take a look at the other side. Good. Yeah, guys, overall underneath is really clean. Jake, you want to grab the keys out for us?
Sure. Here you go.
No problem. All right, so we're gonna go in the trunk, guys. And this is the way a trunk should look. Looks real good. It's got the mat in here. I think this car's ready to go, rock and roll. This is nice, guys. We'll go under the hood as well. Okay, 396. Power steering, power brakes, upgraded radiator looks like. Looks like a lot of these components are new. Looks clean. You don't see, valve covers look good. I don't see any rust or anything hiding. I don't see any oil leaks. Let's look under the car in front as well. See if we got any seepage. That looks good. I don't even see nothing on the bottom of the pan either. All the suspension looks good. Looks good, guys. Definitely happy to see that. Got your cal tag here, which I can give it to you if you request it. Okay, door panel looks good. Carpet's a little dirty here from stepping on it. Just needs a quick wash. Same thing with the seat. It's got a little bit of dust. We did not detail or nothing. It's been sitting in the guy's garage. Garage cap, headliner looks good. All looks well. It's got an upgraded radio. Showing 16,301 miles. You got the clock there, fuel gauge showing half. Horn works. Well, we'll fire it up. Guys, she sounds really, really healthy, really good. This thing sounds phenomenal. We'll go ahead and check the lights. Lights are working. Engine sounds nice and healthy. Right turn signal working. Left turn signal working. The one thing I see that I don't know how to operate is this radio. But besides that, she's ready to roll, guys. Alright guys, if you want to see more of our classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new cars in every single day. This car is phenomenal. If you want to buy it, give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Up for sale today. God bless the USA.